Hello, guys. Good evening. I am back, and this is a very quick video on Megaworld. I just want to dissect the sequence of events today because number one, they had a very interesting chart and a very juicy scoop for the day. Okay, but before I get started, by the way, I am Miss Jaydee. If you're watching my video for the very first time, I do review stocks in the Philippine market and US market. So feel free to drop a comment if you want your stock to be reviewed in my next video. Okay, so let us start. On my screen right now, you see the chart of MEG, right? And what's interesting with the stock today is that for the past how many months the stock is on a decline, and all of a sudden you had this huge volume that happened today, and interestingly, a long wick happened. That means at one point within the day, the price has reached the 2.48 peso level, and then managed to end on a green or on a uh, with a 2.94% increase in the price. But let's try to understand the story behind this for today. Okay, so apparently today BIR issued a closure order against Megaworld. Okay, and let me just quickly show that over here. Okay, this is uh, a post from the Philippine catalog. It says here BIR issued a closure order against Megaworld, and it didn't really explain the context, and this was supposed to happen on the 18th, but a few hours after that, okay, Megaworld also uh, tweeted. Actually, this came from Twitter. Um, Megaworld also issued a statement that they are going to coordinate with BIR to clarify this. But to cut the long story short, this happened around 3:17. This was a Twitter post from Jessica. Happened around 3:17. Okay, and to cut the long story short, uh, at the end, there was an advisory shared by BIR that they are going to put a hold on this exercise. So they will not execute the initial advisory. Okay, so that happened around 4 p.m. KBAR official told reports that the Megaworld representatives are currently at the concerned RDO and assured the Tax Bureau of full cooperation. Both the BIR and Megaworld did not disclose the reason behind the order in a recent advisory. The BIR said Wednesday activity is being held until further notice. Okay, so that happened around 3 or 4 o'clock. So now let's try to get into the chart and dissect that in, let's say, on a 30-minute time frame. Okay, so remember that happened, that announcement happened around 3 o'clock uh, of today, right? So this big drop happened all at once in that interval. Okay, as low as 2.43, 2.44, and then shortly after that, I think the correspondence was really quick, and social media is so fast that it managed to release that update that the exercise is going to be put on hold, and all of a sudden it shoot up. That technically, if you were able to buy it from this point up to here, that's an outright 13%. Okay, in a span of 30 minutes. Now, what does this mean now in terms of the potential response of the market by tomorrow? Okay, so you got some good volume over here, and at the same time, this is very near your support. Okay, this is the support I see. Several days we've been dropping right at this level. Today is an outlier because it was there's a news, it's a news driven result in today's performance. But overall, the support is just right at the 270. So nice volume, right? Nice volume, green candlestick. So chances are there's a big possibility that price will move higher tomorrow. I am not sure if it is going to go gap up, okay, or it is going to fluctuate intraday and touch the 2.70. But if in case you are interested, okay, if you are interested in getting in Megaworld, I think this is a very good level. The market has given you a chance to enter very near a support area. Now looking at the dividend of this stock, well, this stock gives out dividend, all right? Just go ahead and closely monitor the news around the BIR issue. But definitely, as per BIR statement, the company is also very collaborative, and they are coordinating with BIR to fix whatever issue there is at the moment. But I haven't seen any update on what really is the concern around BIR. Okay, but definitely and this is just me, okay, do your own research. Megaworld is a very stable company. They have big projects in Metro Manila and even outside of Metro Manila, and technical analysis wise, we are also seated at the support area. So maybe something to look into. Probably if you're not ready yet, you closely monitor the price action by tomorrow, including the volume. I just want to emphasize the idea of when a volume spikes up, right, and it ends in a green candlestick, chances are there is a continuation in the direction where it is heading. So it's green, the volume is nice, is there's a big jump in the volume, so chances are continuation will happen. Just want to prove that point over here. So this one too, notice on this day you also had that good volume, big spike in the volume, so it was also sustained. There's a continuation in that direction, but I'm not saying that it is going to move in just a straight line. As you can see here, it was supported, it moved even higher, but it only stopped up to the 330 level. So we don't know if it's really going to be long shot. This could just also be, a short-lived bounce. But then again, right, if you're looking into trading it in the next few days, but I still see a continuation in the upside. Okay, so that's my short video around Megaworld. um, I hope I was able to give you some juicy insights today. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.